Hey there everyone, wanna learn how to solve a Rubik's Cube? Well, sure thing, because the video will be useful if you have any doubts on solving a Rubik's Cube. Be sure to comment it. And yeah, before you learn how to solve a Rubik's Cube, you must learn the basics. Be sure to click the above card if you haven't learned the basics of a Rubik's Cube yet. But if you learnt it all, let's begin. Okay, here's the Rubik's Cube. Let's give it a good scramble. There we now have a scrambled cube. Step 1. Cross on the top. Making the cross on the top isn't that challenging. All you need to do first is to find any color. Most people actually start with white, but I will choose green. Now the green side should be a cross. Remember, search for an edge that has green on its side. Okay, see this edge? It has green. And what is the color next to it? Next is white. Remember, since the color is white, go to the white center. There it is. Now put the edge to the white center. Cool. Now you gotta put the edge pieces with the center to the top side of the green center like this. But oh no, the edge pieces is not set. The white side should be down and the green side should be up. Because of the respective color centers, well, there's an algorithm to it. Note, this algorithm is only for the first solving color. This is a separate algorithm in which we revealed in a few moments. F inverted, L inverted, U inverted. There, the edge piece sets now. Now search for another green piece. There, and it has yellow on its other side. Since it has yellow, and you gotta put it to the yellow center. There it is. Now put the edge upwards, and there, the edge piece is already solved. Oh, there's another green edge piece with red on its side, so you gotta take it to the red center. Moving, and there, you made the green center piece set with red center. Now make it go upwards. Cool, an epic. We have solved 3 colors, white, red and yellow. Now it's time for orange. Find the green center with orange side. There it is now. Put it to the orange center. Okay, cool. Make it go upwards. And oh, it is shifted in opposite way. You know what that means? F inverted, U, L inverted and U inverted. Cool and epic. We have solved all the colors, and yes, we made a green cross on the top. That's right, and you heard it right. Step 2. Match the corners. Find a corner piece with green color. There! Remember the 3 colors, green, yellow and orange. So go to the yellow and orange side with green side on top. Like this. To put the corner on the top to this algorithm, right inverted, right, down. The corner matches their respective colors. Find another green corner piece. Well. Here's a green corner. It has red and white, so move it to the respective sides. Then, now do the algorithm until the color matches. Right inverted, right, down. 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 Search another green corner. Oh, there's one on top. Bring it down. Put the corner to the respective sides and do the algorithm. Right inverted, right, down. 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 Cool. Find the final green corner. There it is. Put it to the respective sides and algorithm time. Right inverted, right, down. Right inverted, right, down. Right inverted, right, down. Done. Now check. You have solved the first layer out of 3. Step 3. Solving the second layer. Search for an edge piece on the top that does not have the color blue, since blue is the top side color. Okay, cool. The edge has red and yellow and does not have blue. The front color is yellow and match it to the yellow side. As you see, it's already in the yellow side. The top color of the edge is red, and the red is at the left side of the yellow side. So in this type of situation, you should use an algorithm. Basically, there are two algorithms. There is a separate algorithm if you want to put the edge piece on the left side, and there is another separate algorithm if you want to put the edge piece on the right side. In this situation, the edge piece should go to the left side. So the left side algorithm is up inverted, left inverted, up, left, up, front, up inverted and front inverted. There, the edge piece suits perfectly in the left side with the respective colors. Now search for another edge piece with no blue. As you can see, every edge has blue. So use your logic, put the blue edge to the side using left or right algorithm. In my situation, I will use the right algorithm, in which I will teach you in a very short moment. Okay, now search. There's an edge piece with no blue, and the white side is already in the white side. Now you gotta use the right side algorithm. Up, right, up, inverted, right, inverted, up, inverted, front, inverted, up, front. Cool, edge piece is in its respective place. Search for another edge without blue. Cool, yellow and orange, and yellow is in its place. We gotta put it to the right side. So right algorithm it is. Up, right, up, inverted, right, inverted, up, inverted, front, inverted, up, front. There! And yes, you have now solved the second layer. Epic! Take a look at your cube right now. Step 4. Make the plus sign. Okay, basically sum of one will get a dot, L-shaped line or plus on the top. Since the dot is the least, we'll start from the dot. Here's an algorithm. Front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted. Now you know the letter L, right? Shift L and you get this. Put the shifted L side like this. But the plus sign is not done. Do the algorithm again. Front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted. You get a line, but it's not over. Front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted. There, we got a plus sign. Step 5. Match the edges. Now we all should match the edge colors respectively in their colors. Okay, well, some of you will get all of them already matched, but we'll teach you the algorithm if it didn't match. There, in my cube, 2 edges are solved, but not the other 2. Some may have no edges solved. So whatever it is, to make every edge match, do this algorithm. Keep these 2 solved edges on the side and start solving. Right, up, right inverted, up, right, up, right inverted, up. There, all the edges are matched and solved. Step 6. Solving the final corners. Find a corner that matches its side. Okay, I have no corners that match. Remember, the 3 colors on the corner should represent the colors on the top, left and right. Now do this algorithm. Up, right, up, invert, left, inverted, up, right, inverted, up, inverted, left. Now search if a corner matches. Oh yes, I have one. Red, blue and yellow. Face it towards you and do the algorithm again. Up, right, up, inverted, left, inverted, up, right, inverted, up, inverted, left. There. Every corner is solved. If yours isn't, then do the algorithm again. Step 7, the final step. Remember the algorithm in the beginning? Yep, this. Do the same algorithm starting from any corner until the blue side is on top and the side colors match. Right inverted, right down. The blue color is still not at the top. Do again. Right inverted, right down again. Right inverted, right down. Right inverted, right down. Cool. The blue color is on the top. Move the top layers to the next corner. Well, the next corner is already solved. So next. Right inverted, right down. Right inverted, right down. Excited, huh? Me too. You know what to do? 1, 2, 3. Congratulations on your first solved Rubik's Cube. Be sure to write the algorithm in a book and memorize them. Okay, well, that's it for the video, everyone. Be sure to subscribe with notifications on like, comment and share. This video was so very exciting and fun. So yes, see you all later. Bye and goodbye.